Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and I've got something special I want to share with you today. So for those of you who know a little bit about Airstream, they make a couple different motor coaches, touring coaches I believe they're called.
Yes.
And I've found where they have now changed not only the floor plan in one, but also the color. Forever you could only get them in one color, silver. And now it looks like a different option. So I found my buddy Steve here from Airstream, yes?
Yes.
And
yes,
he's going to show you just a couple things about what we should know about these changes on this particular motor coach. Steve, so let's start with this one because it's the double beds, right? Which I find really cool because not only does it give you a little much different space inside, but the big garage on the back.
Yes. And this is the new 2026 and a half. And we made not changes, we make improvements.
Okay.
At Airstream, we only make improvements. We don't make changes. And this is improved for a second floor plan. We've always had the Murphy Suite floor plan in Atlas, and we now have a second floor plan, which is a non-slide, twin bed, split bath. And it's still a couples coach. Atlas is built for a couple. If you got 6 kids, this is not the motorhome for you. There's many other vehicles for you, but this is made for a couple. Those twin beds are 6 foot 4 inches tall. So it's nice, comfortable twin beds. Incredible amount of interior cabinet space and storage.
Let's look at this garage first, and then we're going to jump inside because this
61 cubic feet.
This is amazing.
Exterior storage, pass-through storage for long, tall things, inflatable rafts, long ladders, fishing poles. Anything that's long, tall, and skinny. Dog houses.
Dog houses, okay, yeah.
But
okay.
also on the RT. This is the Atlas RT.
Okay.
This is our first RT made for the Tampa Super Show. The bandwidth of price is really, really wide. This is $289,900.
MSRP.
MSRP. But you can also get, there's 6 different options you can get to it. You can add more lithium batteries to it. You can add the exterior paint to it. You can add the hydraulic levelers to it. You can add the solar panels up on top of it. You can add Starlink. You can add the carpet in the back of the coach. You can make it up to 325. The bandwidth is really, really wide.
Got it.
If you don't want or need all of those features, you don't have to pay for them. But if you like those super cool features, you can have them built into it.
So you mentioned lithium. Does it come with a generator or lithium option?
It comes standard with two lithium batteries, 270 amp hours.
270.
That's Airstream Advanced Power. But you can option in 3 more. You could make this, if you wanted to, 17,200 kilowatt hours of lithium power. 17.2 would run you Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Still have power left over. That's the Airstream Advanced Power Plus. That's one of the 6 options on the RT product.
That's amazing. So, and how do those batteries get power charged? I mean, obviously,
you either drive down the road.
So it's got alternator that charges it.
Correct. Okay. Or you have the solar panels up on top.
And how much do you have up there?
Well, right now, none. But you can get an optional solar package, which is 400 watts of solar charging power up on top. But the best way, one of the best ways, is the engine generator. There's a Zeus regulator that will charge the lithium batteries at idle. You can charge at idle at 3,000 watts.
Which is very different than most because you have to be driving most of the others.
Yes.
They won't let you idle.
Yeah, new for 2026 and a half, Airstream Advanced Power, you can charge at idle up to 3,000 watts. You wouldn't want to charge more than 2 hours. But in 2 hours, you could be almost full just by running the engine, just having the engine run. You put it on generator mode, you'll hear the engine rev, it charges those batteries very, very quickly.
That's amazing.
Idle.
That's amazing.
At idle.
Yeah.
That is Airstream Advanced Power Plus.
Cool. Let's go check out the inside.
Yes.
So we're inside now, and right away there's a number of things. Not only is the floor plan very different because we're in the twin bed version, and we'll swing around and show that in a second.
Our new Amber Ridge, a new interior color. Amber Ridge is a two-tone color, two-tone leather color with built-in contrasting stitching all the way throughout. It is drop dead gorgeous. I know you can't feel this, but it's a really soft leather. It's an ultra leather. It passes our 200,000 double rub test. It'll last for years and years and years and years. And we couple that with the Affinity cross-woven vinyl, the special color to it. That is marine grade. Comes from the yacht industry. It's just a beautiful, beautiful cross-woven vinyl for the strength. We expect that to last for the life of the motorhome. And then this is the new Continental Walnut. You've not seen that ever in an Airstream.
No.
The new Continental Walnut gives us this amber ridge interior look to it, which is gorgeous. It's
and
a new
whole new microwave. That wasn't what the kind you were using before.
Correct. It's a new contoured microwave in this twin bed. This is a twin bed model, and it's a couples coach. You get your twin beds in back. They're each 6 foot 4 inches tall. You step up here, and there's a drawer that opens up. And behind that drawer is that pass-through storage compartment. And on the left-hand side, there's a huge drawer right there. The other one, that's a door. That's good. And a drawer, big drawer. On the other side is another drawer. So 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers there at the bottom. And then up on top, overhead doors. 2 on one side, 2 in the back, 2 on the other side. So 4 drawers, 6 overhead storage compartments, and then 2 shirt wardrobes built in with slotted clothes hanger bars with motion censored lights and adjustable shelves all the way throughout.
That keeps you from fighting on the his and hers thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now this is split bath. So you have split bath technology so that you got a nice big shower. It's not a wet bath, it's a dry bath with a big shower, and you can have this closed off for privacy from the front of the coach. And then this opens up for privacy to the back of the coach. And then you've got your private water closet, your private shower, but you can have both of those doors open and closed off, so you can go from out of the shower to brushing your teeth, to doing whatever, back and forth, drying off. You've got that full flexibility and have that blocked off from the back of the coach or the front of the coach.
Gotcha. So now we're going to look at the other versions.
Yes. 25 MS, the Murphy Suite. It's got a slide box built into it, so it does have more storage space. It has a Murphy bed that folds down, makes a king-size bed. It's 72 by 72.
I love the color layout on this, and like I mentioned earlier, we owned an Airstream Atlas, and even though I like the silver, I would have opted for this all day long.
Yes, it's drop dead gorgeous.
It is.
This is our premium paint package, our first premium paint package ever for the last 7 years of Atlas. This is called the Tenorite premium paint package, and it's gorgeous. And that's $7,500 sticker price on it. But also notice there's no seams. Perfectly seamless. We've taken all the seams away. We've manufactured all that seam work away. 150 hours of fiberglass artistry to get rid of all those seams. And then the paint is 15 coats of BASF automotive paint and super clear. 5 gallons of super clear. It's all clear coated. It's buffed. It's sanded 3 different times.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful.
New for 2026, we've got a brand new rear cap, brand new front cap. These new tail lights come from Mercedes-Benz. They are ridiculously expensive, but they look awesome. They look incredible. Yeah. They're not those cheap camper lights that everybody uses. They buy boxes in from China.
Yeah.
And then additionally, we've got sensors back here. These sensors are designed, engineered, and manufactured by Airstream. We've got one up on top over here, and one up over here. I got 4 on the bottom, 2 on the top. If I'm backing up and there's awnings and trees and overheads and hangers, I'm going to have somebody will notify visually and auditorily that you're backing up into something high, right-hand side, left-hand side, on the bottom over here. We have our own sensors. Airstream there's no window back here.
Yeah.
How are you going to see what you're backing up into? Also, this rear vision camera is new, different than the one you have. It's a Stinger system that has night vision enhanced.
Okay.
You see it better at nighttime than you do during the daytime, and it's integrated into the MBUX system.
Oh, okay.
It's integrated into the MBUX system. We worked for years to develop and design and test and manufacture the Stinger rear vision camera.
Interesting. So what does the rear view mirror do then?
There's a rear view mirror that sees what's behind you, but it's the MBUX.
Oh, that's going to show.
And then the monitor up on top is for the side vision cameras.
Got it.
The side vision cameras have 80-degree vision. This has 180-degree vision, and the Stinger system is adjustable up and down.
Got it. Love it.
opulent luxury. Airstream Atlas offers opulent luxury, best in class. It's the Rolls Royce of B pluses. And we do call this the B plus. It has the Murphy suite built in, and the sofa folds down flat. The Murphy suite comes down over the top of it. And you can use the Murphy suite and the bed down and still have access to the rest of the coach. You can still use the bed with the slide box in. Sometimes you need to be able to do that.
Pop-up TV, you've got your electric fridge.
With the built-in sound bar, 9 cubic foot refrigerator. You've got your power convection microwave. The Murphy suite offers the convection microwave. And Jeff, you may want to look at this, the new wood pantry. That's all built in.
That is nice and different.
If you open up that compartment up there, Starlink is built in. That's
Awesome.
Elon Musk. Elon
Awesome.
Musk, best in motion Starlink system up on top with the receiver built in.
Love that.
All set and ready to go.
Love that.
And then your wardrobe compartments are lighted and cedar lined on both sides. Adjustable with drawer space underneath here. Adjustable shelf. Slotted clothes hanger bars all the way throughout. And then we also offer high thread count monogrammed Airstream bath towels all the way throughout. This is available in Amber Ridge, Modern Grige, Classic Canyon, and the new Tommy Bahama. We have a new Tommy Bahama refresh. First refresh in 5 years. We have a 2-year exclusive with Tommy Bahama on that. But what really sells the Murphy suite is the big shower. Big garden shower with teak wood and nice big Kohler faucets. Not cheap China faucets. Those are Kohler faucets made by Kohler Company, Kohler, Wisconsin. Those are residential faucets all the way throughout. We made best in class. And then additionally, when we build an Atlas, we don't use a 2500 series chassis. We don't use a 3500 series chassis. We use the 4500 series chassis. 12,125 pounds of GVWR, which gives us around 1,800 pounds of occupant and cargo carrying capacity. Which gives you a heavier duty front end, heavier duty braking, and a lot more occupant and cargo carrying capacity. This is our second year for the 4500 series. As soon as Mercedes offered it, I took it.
Yeah.
I didn't even ask them what it cost. If they come out with a 5500 series, I'm taking it. I'm in.
I'm with you.
We're also able to put hydraulic levelers on the outside of this coach. You can't budge this coach. We weren't able to do that because we didn't have the OCC available. And this is probably too much information, but it's got a ceramic toilet. It's got a porcelain toilet. We used to use a plastic toilet.
I know.
In a beautiful motorhome. Not because we were afraid of the price. We were afraid of the capacity. Now we are unleashed. Airstream is unleashed. We do anything we want to do to make the world's best B plus because we've got the world's greatest chassis underneath it. 4500 series chassis and air ride suspension.
Yep.
Air ride. If you're going to buy a B plus, it's going to be top heavy. Make sure you get air ride suspension. Make sure you get a 4500 series chassis, or you're going to be wobbling going down the road.
No question. No question. So I think the last thing to ask you is beautiful coach, MSRP. Does this also have that kind of range that you were talking about?
It does not. Okay. On the Murphy suite, almost everything's standard. There's one option you can get. You can go with the Airstream Advanced Power Plus. This one has it, and this one's sticker price is around $360, I think it is. Okay. You can't get one that is unloaded. Everything's all included. It doesn't have the bandwidth that the rear twin has.
Yeah.
And it does have the cost of the slide box and all the other stuff along with it. So stickers around $360 for it.
Okay. Well, beautiful. Steve, thanks for your time. Thanks for your knowledge on both of these new units from Airstream. There's a lot to like here if this is something in the class that you may be interested in. So thanks for watching, and I hope all your future RV trips are optimized.